A delicious dessert for any occasion, made from whatever you have left in the fridge. It's incredibly simple and quick, yet so tasty you'll want a second serving. Start by washing some seasonal fruit thoroughly. You can really use any kind you like. Take a wine glass and pour in a spoonful of your favorite fruit jam. I went with currant. Then add whipped cream, making sure to press the nozzle deep into the jam. This step is key. The cream blends beautifully with the jam, creating tempting layers. Now take a glass with some of the washed fruit, place the glass with whipped cream on top, and flip it over so the fruit ends up inside. Crumble some vanilla or lemon cake. It's a perfect way to use up cake that's no longer super fresh. This gives the dessert a soft, moist texture and extra flavor. Add the crumbled cake into the glass, top with another swirl of whipped cream straight from the can, and decorate with fruit and dessert sauce. And that's it, a gorgeous dessert ready in just a few minutes, using simple ingredients you already have at home.